Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Tariq. Today we are going to go beyond the insecure file upload vulnerability and look how threat actors could exploit those kind of vulnerabilities to achieve their objectives. We got our lab here, we are running XAM, we are running our Apache server on our local host. So if we go to the local host, it seems running okay. And I have added this file upload feature in this page, the applications page. As you can see, those are the files and directories hosted on our web server. And we got here the uploads directory, which will contain any file uploaded to the web server from the website or the web application. Okay, so we got also our lab files. We got this ransomware simulation file that I have developed, and this is the decryption file of it. Let's see that in action. Let's assume that now we got into this web application and we discovered that insecure file upload, which weekly validate the files uploaded to the web server. And let's upload the our ransomware file. Upload the file. It says file uploaded successfully. Now I have done my information gathering and I know that the file is now on the uploads directory. So it is RWS, which stands for ransomware simulation.php. Now it says that the page is not found, and if we go to the source of the page, it's basically a normal 404 not found error, but this is actually a simple trick that I have made to make the file kinda stealthy. If we added the auth parameter with our simple password, ransomware simulation, we can access the actual page of the ransomware. So first we have the some situational awareness information, the operating system running on the web server, the current user, the host name. If it is running on Linux, this command would work here. The current path, some additional information about the web server. It's running Apache, the PHP version, and if OpenSSL is enabled, because we are going to use it in our encryption. Also, we have if there is any disabled functions, we would know here because we want to know that everything is okay as we have planned our attack. We got here also our web shell. We can run some commands on the web server as it's running on Windows, so we are going to run some cmd commands. It's working properly. We can list some directories. It's running okay. And we can also clean our screen. Okay, now let's go to the action part of this lab, which is encrypting the files. Let's go first to our files and directories hosted on the web server, and let's see that on action. So now if we click on the encrypt button here, as we can see, the files are being encrypted now. It's kinda slow because it's running on a virtual machine. Okay, now the encryption process has finished and the ransomware file has deleted itself. And if we go to any path on the server, it will show us the ransom note. Okay, so let's read the ransom notes. It says ransomware simulation. This is a ransomware. All the files have been encrypted and it is unreachable without the decryption key. Pay a certain amount of money to a certain wallet, for example, and contact the attacker's mail, for example, to obtain the decryption file with the decryption key. And this is a little warning here. If you attempted to decrypt the files with the wrong key, data could be lost. So let's take a look on the files after encryption. Let's open that in Notepad. As you can see, the files are encrypted with EAS 256. Let's see the index.php. All the files are encrypted. Let's go to the dashboard. As you can see, also the extension has changed to RWS. All the files, images are encrypted. Okay, so now let's assume that we obtained the decryption file. Let's take a copy of it and paste it on the root directory of the web server. And by the way, if you go to any path inside your web server, it will show the ransom note. So if we go, for example, to index.php, the same ransom note will show. And now let's use our decryption file. So it says this is the decryption file of RWS, Ransomware Simulation. You can simply click on decrypt to retrieve your files. Hope you have enjoyed it. Let's try it now. As you can see. Okay, now we have retrieved our files. Let's take a look of it again. All the files have been decrypted successfully. As you can see, let's go to the dashboard. We got our fav icon again. Okay, and so if we couldn't decrypt our files, this could be called a destructive malware instead of a ransomware, because we have damaged our files forever. But now, hopefully, we are lucky to retrieve our files again. And I want to end this video with some advice. First, you need to consider conducting penetration testing and secure code review on your website, and everything is retrieved now. Second, you need to conduct awareness training for your developers. Uh, like you need to inform them, like if some simple mistakes like this could lead to this kind of massive problems as we saw. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you later.